Hey everybody, it's Brianna with WTI, and this is my Difeisi power station.
This amazing power station has a 500-watt output with a peak maximum output of 1,000 watts. So it has no problem charging all of your devices, and I do mean all of your devices. Here I have a lamp plugged in, I have a cell phone, a smartwatch, a laptop, now plugging in my emergency charger, and you can see I'm barely even putting a dent into the output of watts. It's going up to maybe 82. Now, the primary reason that I got this generator was for my iMac because, as you know, any kind of desktop computer is plugged into the wall, and if the power goes out, you lose all of your progress on your computer. So here I plugged it in, works perfectly. It started at about 96%, and I came back after 1 hour and it only went down to 90%. So for emergencies, you definitely need to have this power station on hand. It's got a great handle for moving around and even has an emergency light with 2 different levels. So whether you're going camping in an RV or you just want this for around the house, it's going to be a great purchase.
And that's my point of view.